I'm Rashad Massoud, Americares Chief Programs Officer. More than 79 million people around the world are displaced. Some, like Venezuelans in Colombia, have left their homes in search of food, medicine, and a life free from violence. Others are climate refugees, fleeing drought, floods, and fires. In the Middle East, 5.5 million people have escaped civil war in Syria. Jordan has welcomed 650,000 Syrians, most of whom live alongside Jordanians in cities or small towns near the border. But even safe in Jordan, Syrians live with constant reminders of what they've left behind.
وقت اللي جيت من سوريا لأنه الشيء اللي شفناه هناك يعني الحرب وأهوال الحرب بعض مرات بتصير معنا مثل كوابيس. بيتي جاء صاروخ، ابني كان هناك ومرته، بس الله الحمد لله هو طلعوا من البيت ما في شيء، قبل نص ساعة اجى الصاروخ نص البيت نعت ونعت. نفسيا أحيانا وقت اللي بتعب نفسيا بتضايق. نفسيا نتيجة ظروف بجوز نتيجة بشعط معي الضغط والسكري.
Years of stress and anxiety take a toll on health, worsening heart disease and diabetes. Americares collaborated with Jordan's Royal Health Awareness Society to address trauma and loss for Syrian refugees and Jordanians. Americares added mental health services to an existing chronic disease program, resulting in health improvements. The Syrians and Jordanians who learned stress reduction techniques lost weight, lowered their blood pressure and blood sugar, and enjoyed greater social support. Participants eased the physical and mental effects of trauma. Mustafa will never regain what he has left behind in Syria, but now he has the capacity to enjoy what he does have, his garden and family, especially his grandson.
بتبع التعليمات تبع الدواء تبع الأكل تبع والله من وقت اللي يعني بالنسبة لي بحب أكون مزعوج أو ضغط نفسي بحب أطلع لحالي. رياضة تبع شغلات والحمد لله بترجع الأمور طبيعية مثل الحمد لله.
For all of us, good health includes mental health. Around the world, Americare's disaster response programs include support for mental health. Here in Jordan, one grandfather knows the value of such support. He lives it every day.